Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS specificity. So the CSS specificity is used to determine which among the style will be ultimately applied to one element. Like in example, we have the universal selector and we have the ID selector. So because the ID selector has the higher specificity than the universal selector, so ultimately the code we write inside the ID selector will be applied to the element. So this way the code we write inside the external style sheet has the lowest specificity. Like an example, if we select the body and apply some background color of green, and after that of course we have to link that. So we're gonna use the link tag and we're gonna link to the external style sheet. So you can see our background color changes to green. Now the internal style sheet or the code we write inside the style tag has higher specificity than the external style sheet. So if we select the same body tag and we apply the background color to gray, so you can see the internal style has overridden the external style. That's because the internal style has more specificity than the external style. And also if we use the inline style, means the style that is directly attached to one element. So if we set the background color to the body tag of red, so you can see the inline style is overriding the internal CSS. So ultimately the inline CSS has the higher specificity than the internal CSS and also than the external CSS. So in the specificity hierarchy we have the ID selector and then we have the class selector. So if we use the class to select one element, or if we use some attribute, or even if we use the pseudo classes like hover or focus, they are having the specificity. And after that we have the elements or the pseudo elements like before or after, so they have the specificity. And also we need to remember that the latest rule counts. Like an example, if we select our h1 element and if we add some background color of white, and again if we select the same h1 element and if we add background color of yellow, so you can see the latest rule of background color yellow has been applied to the element. That's because in CSS the latest rule or the rule that is appears last will always be applied to the element. So this way we can use the CSS specificity and we can properly style our elements. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.